Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Brahmin's Cafe. Today I have come up with very easy to make and delicious 4 o'clock snack. This is prepared with idli batter, pakoras with idli batter. Let's see what are the ingredients which are required for this. I have taken 2 to 3 ladles of idli batter for this, 2 spoons of semolina, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chili chopped, and half carrot and couple of dhania leaves and curry leaves. First we need to add these veggies into this idli batter and mix them thoroughly. If you wish, you can even add the veggies like capsicum, cabbage, etc., which will make it more nutritious. So once we add and mix these vegetables thoroughly, we should be adding the semolina or rava. We are adding rava so that it will absorb moisture and it will make the batter thick. Otherwise, if the batter is not thick, then it would consume a lot of oil. We need to rest the batter for at least 15 minutes before the pakoras can be made. Meanwhile, let's make a quick tomato chutney for these pakoras. For that, I have taken a couple of shallots, 2 spoons of coconut, 1 spoon of red chili powder, and 1 tomato, and a few salt for this. So let's grind together the shallots, coconut, and this tomato also, along with the red chili powder. Instead of coconut, if you wish, you can even opt for peanuts or fried grams. That can also be substituted with the coconut. Now let's grind them together, to a fine paste before we add the tadka to the chutney. So once the chutney is ready, we are just adding tadka with just mustard and 1 red chili. So after 15 minutes, you can see the batter is now full thick, right? It should be of this consistency before it can be prepared. Pakoras can be prepared. You also would have noticed that I have not added any salt to it because idli batter already had a salt, so I am not adding any salt to it. I have taken oil in kadai, and since it's hot, I have already added the pakoras to it. Now let it fry till it becomes brown in color in both the sides. Also, you have to make sure that you are frying it in the low flame. Otherwise, it may get blackened out very fast, and the batter may not get cooked inside. So in order to avoid that, you have to make sure that you are frying in the low flame. So with these 3 ladles of idli batter which I have taken, I could make around 10 pakoras with this. So this is the last batch of pakoras I am preparing. You can see that in the kadai, the oil is pretty much the same. So this pakoda has not consumed much oil. So you can, this is as good as, as healthy as idli itself, because of the semolina we have added, the oil consumed is very less. So your pakoras are ready now. Enjoy. This is a perfect snack, especially for this monsoon evenings. Enjoy. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes, and also like, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you.